Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing this hair bun thing. I'm not 100% sure what these are actually called. They're meant to make it so you make like a real quick, like just like a bun in your hair. So I thought I'd buy one. I bought this off eBay for like, I don't even know how much this was. It was probably like 50 cents or something stupid like that. There are so much different kinds you can buy as well. I've just bought this kind and you can like get different ones. It's just got like cotton all around it, so you can like choose the colors. I just chose a brown one, but you can choose like blonde or whatever color you want. And there's lots of different styles that you can buy as well, but I thought I'd try this one out. Just snap it in place like that, and there are so many different ways you can do these things. I've never used this before, so this is going to be my first time trying it, so it might not turn out like perfect of how it's meant to. There is a few ways you can do this. The one I have here, it has instructions on here how to do a couple of different ones. When she puts this in her hair, she actually has a hair out. I've seen in lots of videos that people usually tie their hair up first and then just do it with their ponytail. So I'm going to try it how it actually shows on the pictures first, and then if that doesn't work, then I'm going to put it up in a ponytail. A ponytail sounds like it'll be so much easier, because like if you just like put this in with your hair out, it's going to be so hard to like get all your little bits of hair and everything. And hopefully this works, because my hair is quite short. I'm not too sure if this works on like short hair, if you need super long hair, and I do have like some layers in my hair growing them out, but I do have like, see, so my hair ends there and then it's like longer, but we're just going to give this a go anyway. So under our hair, definitely not going to get this bit because this bit's too short. Go down, oh, and then you snap, it snaps itself, and then you're meant to pull your hair around, a low one and like on the side kind of thing. That actually worked. Now I'm going to try it in a upper hair ponytail. It's all covered, so it does what it's meant to. If you don't have like little bits of shorter hair like mine, you can just like bobby pin these down and got this cute little bun. And since this is my first go, it was actually quite easy for like my first time going, and obviously when you like practice more, it's gonna be like so quick, like you see in the advertisements. Probably not recommended for like any hair shorter than mine really, just because like, you know, all these little bits. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll catch you guys next time.